Now we learn how to draw isometric view. Observe carefully given 2D views. Observe its origin. Trace out its length, height and width, which is a 60, the height, width is a 15. Now mark origin O, and through this origin O mark height in vertical direction, length toward the left side and width toward the right side. After tracing the dimensions, we have to prepare a box. Draw a height of a 60 millimeter. Then set an angle of a 30 degree with respect to horizontal line and draw this line of a 60 millimeter, which will indicate the length. Again set an angle of a 30 degree and along the width draw line of a 50 millimeter, and by using the mini drafter just draw the parallel line parallel to the length. Now draw this line parallel to the height. Now draw a line parallel to the width, that is 50 millimeter, and thus by using the mini drafter we can construct a box. Now we have to draw the isometric views. Consider the red color surface which is visible in front of you. So draw this line of a 50 millimeter length and a height of a 20 millimeter. So draw this line parallel to the height of a 20 millimeter by using the mini drafter. Then complete this rectangle drawing a line parallel to the length. Now we have to draw this yellow color surface which is visible in front of you. The position of this yellow surface from red surface is a 25 millimeter towards the back side. Now draw this height of 40 millimeter for this yellow color surface. In isometric view, we are just drawing the lines parallel to the length, parallel to the height, or parallel to the width. Just simple combination of these different lines gives us a isometric view. Now try to complete the top portion of this yellow color surface. Means draw this line of 10 millimeter. Leave the space or a gap of 10 millimeter. Now draw these lines of a depth 20 millimeter parallel to the height. Draw this line of 20 millimeter. Join these two lines by line which is parallel to the length. Now draw this line of 30 millimeter, and through this draw a vertical line. Thus yellow color surface is in isometric mode is presented. So we have to draw this green color tapered surface. Draw this line of 15 millimeter. Mark the point 10 millimeter. Now draw a line parallel to the width. Now we have to draw this tapered surface which is clearly visible in front view. So join these, draw these lines parallel to each other. So for this tapered surface, draw a vertical line parallel to the height this line is of a 40 millimeter height. Or simply we can draw it by the intersection of two lines. So the intersection of these two lines help us to complete this tapered green color surface. Draw this height which is of 40 millimeter. Now complete the length of this tapered surface, simply joining these 2 points. This line is of a length 30 millimeter and it should be parallel to the initial length. Now just draw the parallel lines to the lines parallel to the width so that we can complete this top surface. The edges of the slot, one is parallel to the width and another is parallel to the height. Now draw this line of a 40 millimeter length, because at this corner we have to show some another surface which is a tapered or a non-isometric surface. Draw this vertical line and join these 2 lines by a horizontal line. Thus in this way this non-isometric surface is just shown here. Retain all construction line